Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here for Angel Rose Designs on YouTube. And you are here where everything is made with love in every stitch. I'm here with the word of the day with Create with Becca. And this is video number 5 for me. But the date is November 8th. And the word of the day is time. So I went on and got some free printables of some clocks that I will be decoupaging onto my cardstock for this word of the day. So let's get this started. So I'm going to start with the bigger clocks first, and then we're going to go with the smaller one. Okay, so here's clock number 1. So I'm playing catch up on a lot of projects and stuff like that, and with appointments that I have out of the house and videos that I need to get done and everything. So I'm playing catch up for the next couple of weeks. Try to see how far I can get with catching up before I have to go in for hand surgery. I'm going in for trigger finger, which is they have to open up the tunnel, the nerve tunnel in my thumb. I had it done in June, and I had both hands done 2 weeks apart. So they're going to do the same thing for the thumbs. For carpal tunnel, I had them both done 2 weeks apart. So now I'm getting both trigger fingers done. So we'll see what happens. So I'm trying to also get enough videos up to where it'll be good enough while I'm gone. I might pop into chats here and there, but remember, I will be doing touch typing, as they call it. So here's my project for November 8th, and the word of the day is time. So I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I go live, when I upload new content, or when I do a premiere. Don't forget, you're on the channel that everything is made with love in every stitch. So, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now.